Hey, what's up there, friends? It is a cold and drizzly day here in Colorado, which means it's a perfect opportunity to go thrifting. Thrift stores are nice and warm, and quite frankly, the nasty weather keeps other potential pickers away from the good scores. So we're going to head in, take you guys along. Let's see if we can find some good pickups on this cold day. Hot finds. Okay, so we ended up finding quite a few things that were potentials for some good flips. We only picked up 2 or 3 items here though, so I'm gonna show you what those are. First thing was these snowboard boots. I definitely popped on those. It was a 50% off day today, so most of the stickers were 50% off. These are normally $20, ended up being 10 bucks. You can see they're Burton snowboard boots in really great condition. These will sell on Craigslist for between $50 and $60 because they're a newer style. They have these quick draw strings for quick tightening. And yeah, so if you see these newer snowboard boots in good condition, pick those up. Okay, second thing we picked up were these dive boots. Now, dive boots aren't necessarily really big resellers, but you can see 50% off of this. We got them for $4. These dive boots are actually going to be perfect for river surfing here in Colorado. If you're interested in checking out what river surfing is, I'll put a link to our other channel down below where we document some of our adventures. Okay, so the last thing we popped on was this Olympus Stylus point and shoot camera. This model number is the Stylus 730. It's a 14 megapixel camera. You can see the price was $99, so we got it for 50% off, $5. This thing is selling on Amazon for about $45. last grouping of footage was from about 3 stores, and we shot a lot of different things. Again, lots of opportunity for money there. These are the things that we ended up popping on, though. So let's actually check out and see what we have. These are snowboard boots, really decent condition. You can see the brand name there, and basically they're the Atomics here. You can see they were actually rental boots. These are great boots though, and they were $20 at 50% off. We actually paid $10 for those. And these guys, again, like the other Burton boots you saw, are going to probably resell here in the winter time for between $50 and $60. Next, we have those North Face trail running shoes that you saw. These are actually in good condition. A little bit dirty, but man, you throw these in the washing machine with some spray and wash, and all these running shoes clean up really nice. As long as the tread is good, you can see even though there's dirt on here, the tread is really great, especially with these Vibram soles. And you can see there the price was $6.99. Again, 50% off of that. So we were looking at paying $3.50, and these will resell for probably about $30 or so. Okay, next up we have the Merrell hiking boots. Again, these are in decent condition. They're just pretty dirty. Give them a good wash. Soles look good. You can see the blue price on there was $10.99. Again, 50% off is going to be $5.50. And these guys will actually sell for more like $35 to $40 here, direct sell. Okay, and then this was a pretty cool pickup. You can see it's an AT&T 2-line speakerphone, office phone. Again, a regular corded phone. Only $6. This actually is in brand new condition. It has been opened. You can see the seal's been broken back here, but everything is in brand new shape, exactly like it was from the stores. And so this, again, will be selling on Amazon for about $50 in new condition here. So that was a pretty nice little turnaround. And then this was a really cool find. I didn't get a chance to film it in the store, but these are Bose over-the-ear headphones in great condition, great working condition. In fact, I am going to be editing this video with them because they actually sound so great. Came with the carrying case. These guys were $12. I took the sticker off here. They were $12 in store. And if we did want to resell these, they're going for about $60 on eBay. So that's another great little pickup from the thrift shop.
All right, here's another bike jersey that we found. This is actually in brand new condition. You can see the tag still on there. Now, bike jerseys, again, if they're brand new, go really well on eBay. And this one has a little sentimental value because it's a specific race that folks may be looking to purchase a jersey for that they were a part of. So these kind of sentimental pieces actually will resell on eBay as long as you have the right sellers looking for it. We picked this up for $1, and this is going to resell fairly easily for around $20 on eBay.
Okay, friends, that is all of our scores for this little haul here. Hey, what did we miss? I filmed a lot in those stores. Is there anything that we didn't find that maybe we should have picked up? Let us know in the comments below. If this video is helping you guys in your reselling efforts, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button because we got a lot more videos coming up.